그때 그 고양이가 낳은 새끼인가? 그런가? 두 마리가.
I think they're brother and sister.
Really?
I think so.
Why do you think so?
They're close. They're always together.
Oh, but they can be brothers or sisters.
I think the big one has a package.
Packaging?
Yeah.
You mean similar of band?
Yeah, right.
Which one? This one?
The big one.
Big one?